The Kronos 144 is built on the Sprinter 144 chassis and was designed for either single travelers or a couple that are looking for a spacious and homey layout. The Kronos 144 has our largest bed and is a fixed bed platform, meaning there is no takedown or setup for the bed. The bed is nearly king size and is designed to sleep parallel in the vehicle. The galley for the Kronos 144 is directly behind the driver's seat, and it has some of the most storage and drawer space out of all of our models. The galley includes a large stainless steel sink and a high-end faucet with a pull-down head and spray option. Included in the base model is a marine-grade drawer fridge. This stainless steel fridge slides out and has a large built-in freezer and lots of storage. It's very ergonomic to use and is one of the larger fridges that we install in any of our models. The overhead cabinetry directly above the galley gives ample storage and also has the option for an upgrade microwave. Underneath the cabinet is integrated lighting that helps to illuminate the cooking area. On the driver's side, above the bed, is also a cubby cabinet that allows for easy storage and doesn't take up too much space or make it feel too claustrophobic in the bed. The Kronos 144 is designed with a complete partition between the underbed cargo area and the front living space. This allows for ample storage both in door cabinets and slide-out drawers to accommodate all of your storage needs. Underneath the bed is a spacious cargo area for all of your equipment. On the passenger side, the wheel well cabinet houses the Kronos electrical system, but also integrates a lot of functional storage. In the wheel well cabinets, we've offset the storage towards the rear of the van, allowing you to access it easily so you don't have to crawl underneath the bed to gain access to some of your storage. The Kronos 144 comes standard with 4 different windows. The driver's side forward window has awning-style portions that allow them to tilt open and still be utilized even when it's raining. There's integrated bug screens as well. On the slider door, we include a fixed glass window that allows for easy blind spot visibility and additional lighting into the van. Up above the bed, we've included awning-style bunk windows on both the driver and passenger side to allow for ample ventilation and more lighting to the bedroom. Like all of our builds, this van was customized and built to order specific for a customer. And the Kronos 144 has lots of interior and exterior upgrade options available. If you're looking for additional counter or tabletop space, the marine table option is worth considering. The marine table is a 3-part system. There's a recessed floor receiver that mounts permanently into the floor, the center post leg, and the tabletop with the table receiver end. These 3 pieces can be set up quickly to deploy the table and can be taken down and stowed up against the side of the galley. The bottom of the table houses the leg clips that allow you to safely and securely store the leg and the table simultaneously. The Kronos 144 comes standard with L-track under the bed in the cargo area that is designed to integrate perfectly with our slide-out tray. The slide-out tray is about 32 inches wide and 58 inches long and extends out the back of the van on 500-pound rated drawer slides. The slide-out tray is completely removable, utilizing hardware that clips in directly into the L-track in the floor. With 4 simple start knobs, you can install the slide-out tray, and it allows you to stow gear easily under the bed and then slide it out towards the back of the vehicle to get easy access from either side. The slide-out tray locks in both the stowed position and when fully extended, so in the event that you're parked on a hill, the slide-out tray won't go sliding in and out unintentionally. The Kronos 144 is a comfy and spacious design that's perfect for single travelers or couples. If you'd like to learn more, check us out at www.titanvans.com, where you can build and price a customized Kronos 144. Also, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you on the road.